What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be showing y'all what I do for a living. I get asked that a lot. I do farm work for a living. I drive big tractors and big equipment and stuff like that. Anything, you name it. Yeah, it's a lot of hard work, especially during the summer. Right now it's really easy. Just pressure washing today, really. Doing stuff at the shop. My dad woke up this morning and said he's going to do some YouTube, so I'm interested in seeing what that's going to look like. I'm sure that's going to be funny. But yeah, I'm going to just be showing y'all around. I'm going to just show y'all some equipment we got. We just got this tractor about 3 years ago or something like that. Been ripping ground with it. There's one of our combines. There's a tractor there. We spread fertilizer with it. We bush hog with that tractor over there. There's the head that goes on the combine up there. It's the bean head. Some grain bins over there. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all around some more. I've been over here at the shop most of the day today. Been over here pressure washing that combine. We use that to lift this way up there in the air to get hot spots we can't reach and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I've been doing today. Do a little bit more and finish it up. This thing's looking a lot cleaner. We've been on this about 2 days. It was really dirty. I wish y'all could have seen it before we did it. But yeah, we've been standing on this, and one of us has got in there and lifted us up. Yeah, I'll show y'all me pressure washing. Really easy day. Nothing too difficult. Now I got Steve up here on a lift. He's taking down some lots, putting up some new ones. He's got 2 of them to do. Need some new lots. These ain't working. He's our electrician. As you can see, he put a new one in. Took the old one off because you can see it there. These are a lot brighter. I don't even think these worked at all, but now we can see while we work down here. What I've been doing these last couple days is changing every single one of these. There's like 100 and something. We changed it out with the new one, new planter he got. It had spikes on here, and he wanted the spikes on there. So we changed that out. And we changed the bearing out too. He's about to sell this planter, I guess. I have no idea. Let's go look at the new planter. So as you can see here, this one's got the spokes. He wanted these on here. They do a lot better apparently. Yeah, this is his new planter. He ain't even used it yet, unfolded it or nothing. Yeah, but that took a couple days to do. A lot of work into that. I'm glad I had help though. We're over here unloading the dozer. It was at another property. We're moving it back to the farm. He had to haul it back here. Well, we got the dozer unloaded. Now we're over here blown the radiator out. It's real dirty. Had to take this screen off, take the bolts out. Now I'm just sitting here blowing it out.
Alright guys, we got Dave moving some old railroad ties out of the way. Now we're going to come in here and tear this tree out, clean up around this barn.
Looks like I'm about to end the day. I'm putting this platform back on here. I moved a bunch of big logs, I carried them over there in the woods. Now I'm just putting this back on. Well, I'm clocking out for the day. Nothing too difficult. It's a pretty easy day, light day. I'm gonna try to make some more videos like this, ones that'll be interesting to watch, especially in the summer if I get to do that. I know I'm about to go to school here in a few weeks, but yeah, I'll try to make some different videos and keep y'all updated. I was going over my editing. I didn't like how I didn't explain myself well, of why I farm and stuff like that. My dad's a farmer. He's did that his whole life. We just do crop farm now. We used to dairy, used to have cows and stuff. We don't do that no more. We got rid of the cows. We just do straight up crops, corn and soybeans, and wheat. And I'm about to go off to college in a few weeks. I'm gonna go to school to be a dentist and stuff like that. And I'll be honest with you, I'm doing that because I'm not really into farming that much, but it's a bunch of hard work. It can be fun sometimes, and sometimes it's not. I guess it has a lot of pros and cons. It's just 7 days a week, and stuff like dentistry, it's 4 days a week. But yeah, that's more of my backstory of why I farm.